Hi, Paul here from EMD Motor Sport. Today I'm going to show you how to actually remove the whole rear bar on this car, on a Porsche 718 982 from start to finish. It's very important to watch it because a lot of little things that are very detailed on this report, on my video, to stop you damaging anything or breaking anything on the process. First thing you gotta do, you gotta actually put the car, basically remove the rear wheels. You don't have to, but remove it so you don't scratch anything. And you got to remove these ones here, one there, I think it's one there, there's a few screws underneath, and there's a few screws under here as well. Let's see if I can show you what these ones here, inside there, it's got to come off, that one there's got to come off, and a few screws there and there. Same on the other side as well. And T20 screws are here. I've taken 3 off. There's one there. So there's one there, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Once they come off, this part here, this lid cover will come off, and then you can take the one underneath here. Anyway, so once you take the 6 screws out, T20, first all you gotta do is pull it back. See? Pull it back, pull it back, and up. And the reason why I say up, because there's a hook there. See how it's hooked there? That rear part there hooks onto the back here. Okay, so now that's done. Put it away. I want to put it in the middle here because I'm not going to touch it. On top here, and that one there. That 13 mil there sits on there. Take those 2 off. I usually mark it so when I do it up tight, it actually line up close to where it is, because you don't want to do it too tight because you end up snapping this part off. So this, now you take the 213 off, 13 mil off, pretty much lift straight up, and then store it away somewhere safe. Luckily the customer has provided some nice something like that for me so I can use it. That's good news. This is very important, don't scratch them and don't damage them. So now I can take that cover off now. See the cover? This one here, that one off, and then I can get to the bottom part of the actual top part of the actual cover of the bumper, so I can take it out. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to remove the Porsche 982 718 rear tail lights. So a lot of people probably getting scared. The only way I mean, you don't have to tape it up that much, but I just want to show you, you do have to tape it up so you don't scratch because when the rear tail lights pop off, you don't want any scratch marks or any broken corner on the lights. You don't want to damage that part there. On the internet, you can see a lot of people showing you how to do it. There's a cover here, rubber cover, right there. Take that one off. You need a 10 mil socket, long socket like this. Long socket with an extension, or a long socket should be enough. And you take this one off all the way out, and it's actually inside the hole there. See there? It's inside there. Sits here like that. You wind it out until it's off. Take it out, and all you need is a tool like this. Something small enough to go in the hole. All right. Well, putting it small enough to go in the hole, so it's actually pushing on the actual tail light. All you gotta do is watch my hand. Bang. That's out. Let's have a look. There you go. It's off. So he's basically gonna hit it with that from the inside on the actual housing that you're removing the nut from. So you just remove the nut. So where the nut goes to, this one here, you want to put this onto it, and then you just give it a tap with your hand, and the tail light is out. Driver, there's my tool. All you gotta do is put it like not. You gotta make sure it goes through the hole, like that. All right, and then you're just gonna tap it. Not a small tap, but pretty big, like a sort of like a more powerful tap. And then we'll just push it and pop the headlight out, just like that. See ya. That's the part you're tapping on. So when you tap it, it just goes bang, and it's out. 718. Once you pop both headlights out, I've got a video, nearly 5 minutes, on show you how to do that. This side here is a bit harder to pop off because of the angle, but this side here is easier. But regardless, it's much easier to pop it off the way I showed on the video. So once you get that off, obviously I've got those two there, which is those two there. So far, that's all the screws I've taken out. The cover, headlights, top spoiler, that one, and the cover for the top spoiler, that one there, and the top spoiler is this one here. Anyway, now you got one more screw here to do. Take that one off. Take that one off. Take that one off. Take that one off. Same here, this one, and make sure everything is off on this side here, and you pretty much slide everything out. But now let's take this cover off and see what's underneath, just in case. I want to make sure I show everything on this. The only thing you got to disconnect before you take the bar off. On the left hand side is the plug there. On the right hand side, there's two plugs. That one there, the video camera, and that one there as well, the parking sensors. Okay, they are located inside. They're inside there, in there. So you just gotta like that. So you just push it in and then move it out. Unclip that clip there, and then unplug them. And all you gotta do is lift the bar up over this and move it sideways out. So you don't really need to take this top part off. Just leave it on there. You don't have to. Just double check that's the whole video of how to take the whole rear bar off the Porsche 718 Cayman and Boxster. Put all your stuff inside there. Make sure it's nice and basically that's all the screws you need. The other two there, this one here, I'll put it back here. That's the only one that goes there. And then from the other one, they're the one that goes here. A little cutout there underneath the tail light, so you gotta line them in before you push it on. Same on this side here. So I usually just put that back on here, so I don't mix them up. Okay, that's pretty much start to finish on how to take the rear bar off a 718 or 982 vehicle, Porsche style, new body style.